charge! Conditionally!
The condition didn't have anything to do with the moose, did it?
You know, it's funny that you mentioned that. Oh! I'm watching you! Hello? Oh, hi, Stacey. Mom just went to the store. She left me in charge. Well, you know, conditionally.
Well, that's better than not in charge at all, I guess.
It's all about the varying degrees of authority. There's conditionally in charge, and you've got your basically in charge, you're mostly in charge, and then there's just in charge, completely devoid of modifiers. That's what I'm shooting for. Huh? Wait, what are my brothers?
I know what we're gonna do today, though it might sound just a bit cliche. We can build a roller coaster, but this time with songs and dancing. Cause when we're back in school come next September, and they ask us, we can both remember every cool and clever thing we did all summer long. And glancing back, we're gonna be so glad that we didn't sit all day and watch TV. I don't think anyone can disagree. The world is possibilities, and that's what makes me say, hey Ferb, hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb, I know what we're gonna do today. Hey Ferb.